Is Photoshop your go-to for everything creative? Today, we're diving headfirst into a crucial query: can Adobe Photoshop truly open and effectively edit PDF files, or is it simply better off as a glorified viewer? Let's find out. Step 1. The simplest test. Let's try and open a PDF. In Photoshop, head to File located at the top of your screen. Then click Open. From there, navigate to your PDF file location and give it a double click. Easy peasy, right? Step 2. PDF Import Options. Before the PDF opens, you will see a dialog box. Here you can choose how you want to import your PDF. Photoshop gives you precise control over how you handle each page or whether to open the document as layers. Make your selection and click OK. Step 3. Editing time. Your PDF should now be open in Photoshop. Depending on the initial PDF's format, you should be able to treat the document as a layered image. You should find a layer for each element of the PDF: text, images, shapes, which can be modified. You can use Photoshop's powerful tools like the text tool, selection tools, and cloning to make changes to the original document. Step 4. Save your masterpiece. While Photoshop can open and edit PDFs, it's important to save them in a Photoshop-friendly format, like a PSD file. This will preserve all the layer information. Locate File, select Save As. At this time, choose the file format Photoshop PSD and hit Save. You can also save as other formats such as TIFF, but if you wish to keep text editable, choose PSD. So, what's the verdict? Photoshop can open and edit PDFs, although it's best suited to working with the visuals within the document. Remember to save your changes as a PSD to preserve all the layers for future editing. Essentially, Photoshop is a robust image editor for PDFs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more design tips.